Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on managerial economics. This is part 7. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. A typical demand curve cannot be A. Convex to origin, B. Straight line parallel to y-axis, C. A straight line parallel to x-axis, or D. Rising upward to the right. The correct option is A. Convex to the origin. 2. When the law of demand operates, the demand curve A slopes downward from left to right, B slopes upward from left to right, C slopes upward from right to left, D parallel to horizontal axis. So, here the correct option is slopes downward from left to right. Question number 3. Two goods are consumed simultaneously. Are A identical, B complementary, C substitutes, D none. The correct option is A identical. 4. Which of the following pairs of commodity is an example of substitutes? The correct option is D mustard oil and coconut oil. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large the correct options in each question are highlighted, but in case of discrepancy I will be correcting that through my narration. Like here in question number 2, when the law of demand curve operates, the demand curve definitely slopes downward from left to right. This is the correct option. So here B is highlighted, that is not correct, rather A is correct. So like this, in other video tutorials also the correct options have been corrected through my narration. Now come to the next question number 5. Bread and butter, lime and mint sauce illustrate the type of interrelated demand known as A. Rival demand, B. Composite demand, C. Competitive demand, D. Joint demand. Here correct option is A. Rival demand. 5. A commodity the price of which has fallen but is expected to fall further will present a demand curve, A. Regressive at lower end, B. Regressive at upper end, C. Linked in the middle, D. Downward sloping to right. Correct option is A. Regressive at the lower end. 7. Thus, for a commodity is one that arises on its own out of a natural desire to consume, A. Indirect demand, B. Autonomous demand, C. Individual demand, or D. None. The correct option is A. Indirect demand. 8. Dash price leadership, an experienced firm assumes the role of protecting the interest of all firms. A. Dominant, B. Aggressive, C. Barometric, D. None. Correct option is C. Barometric. 9. Dash is a market with only two sellers, A. Monopoly, B. Duopoly, C. Oligopoly, or D. Duopoly. In fact, this should be none. By the way, here correct option is B. Duopoly. 10. Monopsony is a market situation under which there is a dash of a product. Correct option is B. Single buyer. 11. The price of Bata's shoe are fixed as 99.95. This is dash type of pricing. A. Marketing pricing, B. Zone pricing, C. Psychological pricing, or D. Dual pricing. Here correct option is C. Psychological pricing and not the B. Zone pricing. This is wrongly highlighted. 12. The pricing followed by wholesalers and retailers. A. Markup rising, B. Geographical pricing, C. Cost plus pricing, or D. None of these. The correct option is A. Markup rising. 13. Dash refers to a group of products which have similar physical features. A. Business line, B. Product line, C. Price line, D. None of these. The correct option is B. Product line. 14. Which is the better measure of welfare? A. National income, B. Per capita income, C. Gross national product, D. Per capita disposable income. Correct option is B. Per capita income. 15. A demand function is said to be linear when the slope of the demand curve remains dashed throughout its length. A. Constant, B. Highest, C 0, D none. Correct option is A constant. 17. The elasticity is a measure of the average of responsiveness of the quantity demanded to a substantial change in the price. The correct option is A arc elasticity. 18. 2 PQY 2Q is equal to A MR BTR CAR D none. The correct option is C AR average revenue. 16. Elasticity of demand with respect to change in consumers dash is income elasticity. So here correct option is D related goods. 19. Dash is an extension of the simple expert opinion poll method. Correct option is A Delphi method. 20. Dash is a graphical tool of analysis used to explain laws of returns to scale. So here correct option is B ISO cost curve. 21. In a free market economy, the allocation of resources is determined by A votes taken by consumers, B a central planning authority, C by consumer preferences, or D the level of profits of firms. Correct option is C by consumer preferences. 22. A rational person does not act unless the correct option is C. The action produces marginal benefits that exceed marginal costs. 23. Economics is a dash science which deals with human wants and their satisfaction. The correct option is A social. 24. Dash defined economics as a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. A Adam Smith, B Lionel Robbins, C Samuelson, D Alfred Marshall. Correct option is D Alfred Marshall. 25. The growth of an economy is indicated by an A increase in savings, B increase in investment, C increase in general prices, D increase in national income. Correct option is D increase in national income. 26. Dash equals revenue minus all explicit costs. So here correct option is A accounting profit. 27. The father of new economics is A Marshall, B J M Keynes, C Adam Smith, D Karl Marx. Correct option is B J M Keynes. 28. The dash problem refers to the possibility that owners and their managers may have different objectives. A company manager problem, B principal agent problem, C firm employee problem, or D problem of different objectives. Correct option is D principal agent problem. 29. Economic profit refers to dash minus all relevant costs both in explicit and implicit. A profit, B cost, C expenses, D revenues. Correct option is D revenues. 30. The interaction of individuals and firms in a market can be described as a dash of money, goods and services and resources through product and factor markets. Constant flow, A or B stable flow, C circular flow, or D regular flow. Correct option is C circular flow. This was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.